Damn, dude, so you're sleeping on the couch?
Yeah. The Disney Plus only works on the couch. So.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
You know, my Disney Plus membership expired, and like, I've been looking to, you know, find someone that can help me watch that.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's crazy. You got like 1 million views on a reel or something?
Yeah, I did.
For what?
It's classified.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does it start with an F and end with eat?
No?
Oh, okay. So no feet stuff?
No.
Oh, okay. Let your head just fall here.
Wow.
Nice. Just pin it down here. Slam through it. Like 05 students. Nice. Those are nice.
Ted Baker.
Ted.
Yeah.
What a great guy. I know a Ted that. You feel it?
No.
Okay, good. Me neither. Damn.
God.
That's crazy. That's his drug.
That was gnarly.